I don't know where to start with that Reggae Boys performance against Peru. And yes, 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 it is a rebuilding process and it will take time and blah, blah, blah. But good God, even in a rebuilding process, we need to see some semblance of tracking, some marking, some passing. We need to see some midfielders who can hold on to the ball, protect the ball, pass the ball, generally use the ball, and occasionally dribble the ball. Look, we have to mind we get it twisted. These things about good attitude and work ethic and discipline, all of them things there don't make no sense if the players we're selecting cannot play football. And that is what we've been doing for the last umpteen years in Jamaica, especially in that pivotal midfield era. It's not like Peru were playing hard or playing rough and closing down. Jamaica had all the space in the world on an excellent playing surface, and every time we get the ball, it was like a hot potato. We can't put 3 or 4 passes together. The poor striker them suffer like dog from a lack of service. But you know, the disgust and the anger should not be here and now. We are suffering right now because no development, no investment or exposure of young players took place over the last 3 to 4 years. So Coach Tapper Whitmore now has no choice but to try and rediscover the wheel. And this particular wheel cannot be rediscovered in 2 or 3 matches. And speaking of wheels and spinning, the football is actually in a spin. Get one of them, mash the ball.